The xBridge is a living laboratory. It's where ideas start to come to life and are tested in a true operating airport environment. And then we take the best of those ideas and then implement those in our airport facilities and possibly even in facilities throughout the world. This xBridge is also being used as a test bed for all materials related to our Terminal Modernization Program.
So this gives us the opportunity to see, do we like a satin finish? Do we like a high gloss? You know, is this the kind of look that we're really going for? And then also to test it out. So we're going to literally be banging carts into this and be, seeing how is this going to adhere, how are we going to touch it up, and how is this going to be durable for us in the future.
In case there's damage, we have to do some replacement, or something gets added or removed. We know how to remove it, we know how to fix it, we know how to replace it.
We've been in this room approximately 2 months on and off working through different materials between laborers, carpenters, floor layers, cement finishers.
This gives us the opportunity to actually test it, try it, and maybe tweak our design before we send it out to bid and buy that system under our contractor.